Hi there, this is Gardens and Graveyards, and today we're going to do a little gardening in a graveyard. We're planting just about 50 tulips, mixed colors, in front of a mausoleum in the Eureka Cemetery and Mausoleum of Newport, Oregon, on Christmas Eve. Look, there's dirt all over the lens. Hopefully that wasn't doing anything.
Oh no.
Huh? There was a smear, but I don't think it was quite on the lens. Anyway, so we're standing here in front of the mausoleum. It's Christmas Eve, and we just planted up some tulips in front of the raised bed here. And we're getting ready to get rid of the weeds. We weeded out this raised bed and then planted tulips. You'll notice that I planted tulips along the front edge because this is north facing, so really the sun only comes about halfway into this bed before it gets shaded in the late afternoon in the spring and summertime. But it will get enough sun for some tulips early in the spring. So we did that, and then we're gonna come back and we'll put in probably some heathers and maybe some dahlias later. And we're definitely gonna put dahlias in that far bed in the spring when it's time to plant them. So that's kind of what we're doing, and Spencer is over there dumping our weeds. And I'm able to do that because this is actually the Eureka Cemetery where I manage, and so that's okay. If you do weed a cemetery, a local cemetery, if you do weed a local cemetery, make sure that you get permission to empty your weeds out someplace else. So you can see this is our mausoleum here, and then this bed is going to end up having dahlias in it in the spring. And this is an azalea, so that'll so the dahlias will bloom in summer, but the azalea will bloom in the spring. And then this is the bed that we just planted the tulips in. Look at this. There are daffodils blooming. It is Christmas Eve. What in the world? So this whole bed is completely covered in daffodils in the spring, but that is some serious early blooming. and it's starting to rain, which is kind of crazy because it's blue skies. And it feels heavy, like maybe hail. So, get inside because it feels like it's thick, fat rain.